This is one of the first pulse motors I made. It has 8 magnets. The switch that turns the hand-wound magnet off and on consists of a copper tube with a spring inside of it. The spring has a plastic tube over it to insulate it from the copper tube. The spring and the copper tube have leads soldered to them, there and there. When the magnet goes by the spring, it attracts it, pulls it over to the copper tube, turning the switch on or turning the electric magnet on. And that's basically all there is to the electrical part of it. The magnets are held on with little deck screws. The 8 of them. They're evenly spaced. I was very careful about that. See the little bolt here? That's nothing but a counterweight, so it would be balanced properly. That piece of wood wasn't very balanced very well. My bearings, I call them center punch bearings. The shaft going through the center of the armature, if you will, is simply sharpened on both ends, and the bolts going through the outright supports are center punched on the end, and that's my bearing, and it works quite well. I'll go ahead and fire it up so you can see the thing run. If I can get this thing on there, that is. Here we go. There she goes. That little reed switch works quite well. It cranks away like crazy. Another little toy I made. Spins like crazy. See it or not? It's kind of sits there all by itself. Pretty neat little thing. Right now that pulse motor is running on 12 volts. It'll run on as little as 3 volts, but not nearly as fast, obviously. Okay. I'm going to call this, and I think Eddie's toy number 2.